I'm gonna start. Flat landing. What the fuck am I doing? Sorry for the F-word, guys. Totally new driving experience, that's for sure. Oh, almost. Definitely need some tuning in the shocks. Oh. Just one jump. It jumps really well. That's for sure. Ooh. That could end it. But you know what I say? No one remembers. No. I have no idea about the shocks in the rear, so yeah, I definitely need to go up in oil in the rear, that's for sure. That was a perfect one, thank you. Perfect. It was soft landing. Not good. I'm coming out from the jump real bad. The car is still in. Still in one piece, guys. Fuck. Sorry. Sorry for that word. That was not my intention at all. The car is definitely not designed for that, but no, it's definitely not. We broke it. So I'm definitely sure that I did not broke it, but I'm sure the lipo tray cover, yep, the lipo is out, that's why. Yeah. So done bashing. What a great car. It's, I'm not gonna say 100% different driving style versus my other bashing cars where I tune my old differentials and blah 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 blah. This is a lot trickier to drive right out of the box. I mean, locked rear diff. Have no idea how much it's in the mid diff, and in the front I don't know. And it didn't break. It was just the hatch for the lipo that came loose, and the reason was from there I landed here flat, and that was never my intention. I mean, the car is not designed for that, even if it took it. But I definitely need to go over the shocks, go up a few clicks, maybe 2 in front and 3 or 4 in rear, I don't know yet. Mid diff, definitely gonna change that. Sorry. Added some painting details on the oil coolers and blah blah blah. Running a Max6 and a 34 tooth pinion. Yeah. So okay, so we destroyed there. Gonna need a washer there. Besides that, it's a really fun car to drive. It's different style, as I mentioned. A lot of weight transfer in this car, that's for sure. I mean, so we're gonna take a few packs to get used to it, but I will definitely tune the diffs, that's for sure. And look over the tires. I have some paddle tires, and that's a different ball game. I had them on my Max Slash because they have the more or less the same tires as this one, and the grip is insane with the paddle tires. It's a different car to drive. But first of all, I'm gonna tune the diffs. Besides, the car is stock, and I'm planning to keep it that way. If something breaks, of course I'm gonna upgrade it. If it happens more than twice. So the list to do is mid diff and front diff. I'm not sure what it is. If it's 20 million, I will definitely go down, far down. Shock oils, I'm not sure what it is. If it's 30 weight on all, I will definitely go up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need a stiffer rear spring and front, probably. But the car feels great to drive. Okay, so we didn't break anything. They're still in one piece, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.